Can you tell us about this particular number that you're doing in Vibe? What's the song and what's it all about?
The song is about healing.
Mhm.
Um, mabigat yung kanta. Tapos in the middle of the whole song, parang merong process na nagaganap. Kaya nakakapagod siya kantahin. Not because it's high, but because it's emotionally kind of heavy. Parang nag-order ka ng ulam, tsaka ng carbs, tapos meron pa palang third ulam na darating sa dulo. Tapos pagdating ng dessert, may carbs pa rin. So parang naka 1,800 emotional calories ka na.
Is this the first time that you're performing together, or not at all?
This is gonna be our second time performing it together. Second time pa lang. Yung practice siguro mga 9 times. So, pinakabahan pa rin ako. Hindi pa kasi siya the body remembers at this point for me.
Mm.
So, parang every performance, hindi ko alam ano yung mangyayari, which is exciting.
And since you're performing in Vibe, do you think this is like a whole new audience for you?
Well, I guess, I mean, it's your first time here. Pero parang ano naman lagi naman ang feeling ko laging whole new audience every time Wala rin kasi akong pang-attendance check sa mga concert. Pero kung meron, okay yun, no? Parang merong report card. Tapos parang, oy, honorable mention kayo.
But do you seem to think na medyo younger yung audience ng Vibe? And is that a good thing?
Probably younger, no? Pero sa mga shows kasi namin, napapansin ko yung mga nasa harap, usually. Kasi extrovert kasi ako So kaya ko mag-eye contact talaga. So nakikita ko na bata yung nasa harap. Tapos yung mga mas tito and tita, mas nasa likod. Kasi mahirap rin magstay sa gitna ng parang mosh area pagka nasa mid-30s ka So parang may lower back issues na kasama yun. So yung nasa harap yata usually mga pamangkin nila tsaka mga anak nila
Alright.
Pag matagal ka ng banda kasi parang may ano
Mm.
may iba na yung tao, tapos minsan generations na yung nakikinig, which is great. So,
And since you're only 25,
exactly, thank you. Nag-birthday kasi ako, so 25 na ako. Ang galing kasi parang kailan na high school lang kami. Tapos ngayon, alam mo yun, mature na ako, pwede na ako mag-mature roles. Mature roles.
would you mind also asking people to watch Vibe and your performance as well?
Guys, watch Vibe. Because Vibe is everywhere.
Thank you so much. Thank you, boss.